Imagine a digital vision board, filled with your passions and dreams. That's Pinterest, a visual haven where inspiration meets action. But it's more than just pretty pictures. It's a powerful search engine. Ready to unlock its potential and skyrocket your online presence? Let's dive in. Pinterest is a unique platform. It blends the visual appeal of social media with the strategic targeting of search engines. This makes it a goldmine for creators like you. But to strike gold, you need to understand how people use Pinterest. Users turn to Pinterest with a specific goal in mind. They're actively searching for something: a recipe, a DIY tutorial, fashion inspiration, or home decor ideas. They type their desired keywords into the search bar. Then, Pinterest curates a selection of pins that match their search. This is where you come in. By optimizing your pins with relevant keywords, you increase your chances of appearing in those search results. The more relevant your pins are to the user's search, the higher they'll rank. And the higher they rank, the more visible they become. Remember, Pinterest is a visual search engine. It's not just about stuffing keywords into your pin descriptions. While descriptions are important, they work in tandem with your visuals. So let's talk about how to make your pins visually appealing and search engine friendly.
Keywords are the magic words that connect your content with eager eyes. But how do you find the right keywords for your Pinterest pins? It's simpler than you think. Start by putting yourself in your audience's shoes. Think about what your ideal audience would type into the Pinterest search bar. Let's say you're a food blogger sharing a delicious recipe for vegan lasagna. What would someone interested in this recipe search for? Vegan lasagna, of course. But don't stop there. Expand your keyword list with related terms. Think vegan pasta recipes, easy vegan dinner ideas, or plant-based lasagna. These long-tail keywords, as they're called, target a more specific audience. This increases your chances of attracting the right users to your pins. Pinterest's search bar is your secret weapon. Start typing a keyword related to your content. Notice how Pinterest suggests a drop-down list of related searches. These are gold. They show you exactly what people are searching for, giving you valuable insights into popular keywords.
You've found your keywords, now it's time to put them to work. Your pin description is prime real estate for incorporating these powerful terms. But remember, clarity and readability are key. Don't just stuff keywords into your description. Instead, weave them naturally into compelling sentences that entice users to click. For example, instead of writing vegan lasagna recipe, try indulge in the ultimate comfort food with this easy vegan lasagna recipe. Remember, your pin description is a sneak peek into what your content offers. It should be engaging, informative, and keyword-rich without sounding forced. Aim for a conversational tone that resonates with your target audience. Think of your pin description as a mini advertisement for your content. It's your chance to capture attention, spark interest, and entice users to click through to your website or blog post. Make it count.
Section 5. Visual victory, stunning images steal the show. A scroll-stopping image is crucial on a visual platform like Pinterest. Your image is the first impression, the initial hook that grabs attention in a sea of pins. High-quality, visually appealing images are non-negotiable. Invest in professional-looking photos or create eye-catching graphics. Use bright, vibrant colors and clear, high-resolution images that showcase your content in the best possible light. Vertical images reign supreme on Pinterest. They take up more space on the grid, making them more noticeable as users scroll. Aim for a 2 to 3 aspect ratio. For example, 1000 pixels wide by 1500 pixels tall for optimal visibility. Remember, your image is the gateway to your content. It's the visual cue that draws users in and makes them want to learn more. Make it irresistible.
Section 6. Rich Pin Riches, boosting your Pinterest prowess. Want to take your Pinterest game to the next level? Enter Rich Pins. These magical pins are like regular pins on steroids, packing extra information and functionality to enhance the user experience. There are different types of rich pins, each designed for specific content. Article rich pins. include the headline, author, and a brief description, making it easier for users to find and save relevant articles. Product-rich pins display real-time pricing, availability, and even a direct link to purchase, streamlining the shopping experience. Recipe-rich pins are a food blogger's dream, showcasing ingredients, serving sizes, cooking times, and ratings, making it easier for users to plan their meals. By using rich pins, you provide more context and value to your content, making it more likely to be saved and shared. To enable rich pins, you'll need to add some code to your website. But don't worry, Pinterest offers detailed instructions and plugins to make the process a breeze.
Section 7. Engage and conquer. Community is your key to growth. Pinterest is more than just a platform for broadcasting your content. It's a thriving community of like-minded individuals. Engaging with this community is crucial for building relationships, increasing visibility, and driving traffic to your content. Follow boards related to your niche, leave thoughtful comments on pins that resonate with you, and repin content that you find valuable. By actively participating in the Pinterest community, you'll increase your visibility and attract more followers to your profile. Collaborating with other creators is another powerful way to expand your reach and engage with a wider audience. Consider partnering with other creators in your niche to create joint Pinterest boards or host group pinning events. Remember, Pinterest is a social platform. The more you engage with others, the more visible you become. So, be social, be helpful, and watch your Pinterest presence soar.
Section 8. Pin like a pro. Your journey to Pinterest stardom starts now. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge to unlock the secrets of Pinterest SEO and boost your pins to new heights. Remember, consistency is key. Make it a habit to pin regularly. Optimize your pins with relevant keywords and engage with the Pinterest community. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pin formats, try out new trends, and analyze your analytics to see what resonates best with your audience. The more you pin, the more you'll learn and the better your results will be. For more insider tips and tricks on conquering the world of Pinterest, follow our channel and stay tuned for more exciting updates. Pinterest is a constantly evolving platform, so staying ahead of the curve is essential for maximizing your success. Now go forth and pin like a pro.